Travis, give kisses. Hi.
Hi.
Say uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Can you say cracker?
Taco.
Good job. Can you say ball?
Bus.
Did you just waddle your way over there? Yes, you did. What's that? Can you give that kisses? Wait, do it one more time. Give kisses? Give kisses? Oh, you give the phone kisses? Can you give that little thing kisses? How about this? Can you give the mousey kisses? Here. Oh, thanks, buddy. You giving everything kisses now? Yeah. Trav, I love you.